How to make an anonymous Instagram account. So if you want to make an anonymous Instagram account, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Instagram application. Make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to go with the profile, which is on the bottom right, and go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Here you need to scroll all the way down and tap on log out. Tap on log out again, and here you will have an option to create a new account. You just need simply go with create new account, and here you need to go with the mobile number, or you can also sign up with your email. So enter your email or mobile number. And now while creating this account, you need to be anonymous, which means you need to go with a new mobile number that you have not used or in which you don't have any contacts. And you can also go with a new email address which your friends or your family members don't know about. So make sure that the name is also very unique, and your date of birth, your all of the information. Make sure the all information that you are entering is anonymous, and proceed with creation page. And after creating, you'll be able to make an anonymous Instagram account. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.